So husband cooked a hamburger on the grill or on a pan last night. Look at all this grease. This is the mess I got to deal with. So, because this is all cast iron stove, I gotta take it all off and wipe it down as I go. Try to get as much of the grease off as I can off the cast iron, because that will cook off. But it's just a horrible stinky mess. That's what happens when you buy cheap hamburger. Look at this. Ew. So I'm gonna clean my oven here, or stovetop, real quick. I got Dawn dish soap that I put in a spray bottle. It's just Dawn dish soap, because that cuts the grease. And my kitchen stinks like grease. So you hear the dishwasher running in the background. That's why, because I've been doing dishes too. So I'm just going to wipe off as much as I can with just the pure Dawn dish soap. I got to get the top of the, anywhere where I see that grease. I already wiped off the top part of this. Oh, Lord. Alright. Yuck. I'm taking bleach, all-purpose cleaner, because bleach and Dawn dish soap cuts grease big time. And this is just a washcloth with hot water. I'm just going to wipe it down. Until I get all that grease off. You gotta be careful, because then it gets on your elements, and then your elements don't want to heat up, work right. I always try to wipe them down. This is how I get grease off the top of my index. I wipe it down. But I have to do this. I can't use my Norwex cleaning on this, because it just becomes one big grease pile. So this is how I have to do it when grease gets everywhere. So that's there, and it got rid of that grease smell. And then I go through here and I get the wall with the Windex. Because it got nailed. And then I spray some on here and I wipe the top of the range. Ew. Alright. So that's how I clean my stove after husband cooks a hamburger. So, and I will have to do this one more time with the Windex. And this is an LG. I do love my stove and top here. There. Now as we put back on the grates, I try to wipe them off the best I can. Put them back on. And I always wipe underneath. That grease likes to sneak everywhere. And I'm not going to get it all off, but I can get a good proportion of it off. that off. Ew, see, I already got grease on there again. There we go.